Hello guys, this is me here Ram Singh, and today I am going to teach you how to put wallpapers, themes and much more ringtones also in Redmi Note 5. Then here we goes in this folder. In this we will find like this is themes. When you click on it, you'll get to various kind of themes, wallpaper. When you press the home, you will get like many themes, top wallpaper, fonts. You can change it, and then ringtones. When you click here, you will get many ringtones you can apply. By clicking, when you click on it, it will play like this. I think net is slow. When you click on it, it will play.
ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਸ਼ੱਕ ਕੁੜੀਏ 150 ਕਿੱਲੇ ਦਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਟੱਕ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਉਹ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਦਲੇ ਤੇ ਕਾਰਨੀ ਉਹ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਲੈਣ ਕਰੇ ਲਾਈ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਅੱਗ ਲਾਇਆ
And when you go on this, and it will add ringtone, notification, alarm. Also, you can set where you if you click on ringtone, it will be set as ringtone. So that's all, guys. This is the how you could do that easily. Thank you. Please subscribe it.